Skinny fat workout. Best exercises to transform your body. By the end of the video, we'll know about the best exercises to effectively transform a skinny fat body into a lean, muscular physique. The term skinny fat refers to individuals who appear thin but have a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass. Addressing this requires a targeted workout plan focused on building muscle and reducing fat. Understanding the skinny fat body type. People with a skinny fat body often have a low BMI but carry excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, and lack muscle definition. This condition can lead to health risks such as insulin resistance, cardiovascular issues, and metabolic syndrome. The goal is to reduce fat while increasing muscle mass through strategic exercises. Best exercises for skinny fat transformation. ***********. Compound movements. *******. Compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups, promoting more significant muscle growth and fat loss. *****Squats. ***** targets the lower body, including quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Deadlifts. ***** engages the entire posterior chain, including the back, glutes, and hamstrings. Bench press. Works the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Rows. Strengthens the back, shoulders, and biceps. Overhead press. Focuses on shoulders, triceps, and upper chest. *****2. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight and intensity of your exercises. This principle helps in continuous muscle growth and strength improvement. ****3. High intensity interval training. HIIT. Incorporate HIIT sessions to burn fat while maintaining muscle mass. Alternate between short bursts of intense activity and rest or low intensity periods. Example HIIT routine. 30 seconds of sprinting followed by 30 seconds of walking, repeated for 15 to 20 minutes. ***4. Core strengthening. A strong core improves overall stability and aesthetics. Planks. Russian twists. Leg raises. Bicycle crunches. Sample weekly workout plan. Day 1. Lower body strength. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, leg press, calf raises. Day 2. Upper body strength. Bench press, rows, overhead press, bicep curls, tricep extensions. Day 3. HIIT and core. HIIT session. Planks, Russian twists, leg raises, bicycle crunches. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Transforming a skinny fat body into a lean, muscular physique requires a combination of effective exercises, proper nutrition, and dedication. By following this workout plan and incorporating these tips, you can achieve significant improvements in your body composition and overall health. Stay committed to your fitness journey and watch as your body transforms into a stronger, healthier version of itself.